Hey there, you fine, fancy people. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Rideshare Hub. What's up? Get your Rideshare Hub swag game on. That's what all the cool kids are doing. You know what else all the cool kids are doing? They're subscribing to our channel so that they can get updates when we come out with great new content. 25,000 subscribers. Yay! Woo! It's exciting stuff. We're here for you guys. That's why we have this channel. That's why we put this information together and bring these videos to you for you. You the people. All right. Hey, so talking about hybrids today. Yeah, hybrid. And we're not talking about the kind... I'm just kidding. Talking about the kind you drive. Before we get started with that, however, I'd like to introduce you guys to this cool thing called Play Octopus. What it is, it's a tablet that is packed full of trivia games and other games that your passengers can play. And if you go down into the video description below, there's a link there. You can click on it. You can get signed up using our referral code, Rideshare Hub. And it's not nationwide yet, but it should be soon. And you can get signed up either way. And then when it does come to your city, they'll ship it to you. You need to give at least 100 rides a month, but if you do that, then you can earn up to $100 extra per month just by having it in your vehicle. And if you don't like to have awkward conversations, it'll keep your passengers occupied. So there you go. All right, so like I said, today we're talking about hybrids. Hybrid. Yeah, a little bit of electricity, a little bit of gasoline. And why would anyone want that? Well, I'll tell you why rideshare drivers would want that. Because of fuel efficiency. You get that great gas mileage, and we have to drive a lot of miles. So if you can minimize your costs for fuel, then yeah, that's a big expense of ours. Okay, great. So here's what I did. Did some research. I pulled from my own knowledge, my own experiences, and I found seven hybrids that if I were to buy a hybrid, which at some point I might, that I would look at. 7 hybrids around $10,000, okay, which is probably the max amount that I would want to be spending on a rideshare vehicle, just because of depreciation, how much wear and tear we put on a car. So these are some good deals. Feel free to look them up yourself. Get at me in the comment section below. If you agree, disagree, that's cool. It's cool. Not an expert, but I do know quite a lot about vehicles, so welcome. All right, so the first vehicle we have up, the 2008 to 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. I like the Ford Fusions. They're comfortable on the inside. I don't know if you've ever been on one before. Spacious, very comfortable, nice ride. It's got a good amount of power for a hybrid as far as hybrids are concerned. We'll talk about some other hybrids that don't. But I should also say that the things that I was looking at when I was making this list are reliability is like a huge one. For me, because you don't want to spend all this money and then end up in the shop a lot. And if you have a car that's not very reliable, driving a lot of miles with rideshare is going to bring out those bad aspects of reliability in a vehicle. So reliability is huge. Comfortability, meaning space, how does it feel inside, handling, and then for me, fuel efficiency, that's up there too. That's probably my number 2 after reliability. And then for me, like handling and power. I like to have a good vehicle. So Ford Fusion Hybrid, 08 to 012, 41 miles to the gallon, city and 36 highway. Good fuel economy with a good amount of power. Ford sometimes suspect with reliability, but Ford Fusion Hybrid, not one of their least reliable vehicles is the way to put it. Okay, number 2, the 2007 to 2011 Toyota, that's how we talk in Wyoming, the Toyota Camry Hybrid. Not as good with fuel efficiency as a Ford Fusion Hybrid. Also Camry, not as much power either. We're looking at 31 miles per gallon, city, 35 highway. However, very comfortable ride. An ex-girlfriend of mine, her mom drove Camry hybrid, and very comfortable ride. Has, you know, all the cool stuff on the inside. There is a bird literally that just landed on my rear view mirror. Very interesting. I'm gonna show you, but he's sliding off. He slid off. Okay, I was gonna show you. Anyway, sorry, I'm back to this. I'm focused. I'm lasered in. So it's roomy, and you know what Toyotas are great for? Reliability. They are so good, so high up there. Like Honda and Toyota, so reliable. So I love that this vehicle for that reason. Okay, number 3 and 4 is going to be, and you'll see why in a second, the 2011 to 2015 Kia Optima and Hyundai Sonata hybrids. And why are they 3 and 4? Well, because they're sister companies, run by the same company, so they're the same base vehicle, like completely the same, identical, and they're just built a little bit differently. Interiors are a little different, but you know what? I've sat in both. I've driven both. I would give the edge to the Kia. I think it's got a few more cool bells and whistles, like crazy camera systems and stuff. They're both very big sedans, very spacious, which actually makes their miles per gallon very impressive. 36 city and 40 highway. Smooth rides. The Optima, it's got some, well, they both have some good giddy up. Cool tech. Yeah, I really, personally, this might be my personal favorite, would be those two. Very impressed by both of them. And they get great safety ratings. Super safe. Okay, let's see, where are we at? Number 5. This is a good vehicle. Actually, a close friend of mine who's a realtor in Orange County, California, had this vehicle for a long time. He loved it. Pretty quick car. 2012 to 2017 Ford C-Max hybrid, which is, it's basically Ford Focus with a different name because it's a hybrid. But it's got some good, it's pretty quick, and it gets great fuel efficiency, 42 city, 38 highway miles per gallon, quick acceleration, good handling. It's a hatchback. It's got some good space in the back. Smaller, more compact vehicle, but I really like it. And again, all of these right around the $10,000 range. That's what we're looking for. Okay, number 6, the Honda Insight. It actually looks a lot like a Prius, almost a copycat. 41 city, 44 highway, great fuel efficiency. It does have more power than the Prius, though. So if you are someone that values a little bit of oomph in your vehicle, then I would give the Honda Insight the edge over the Prius. It gets a really strong safety rating, and you know how Honda is. Honda and Toyota with their reliability, that thing might go for 1 million miles. Maybe. Who's to say? No, but it is a very reliable car. And then finally, number 7, you have to have this on the list. I feel like you just gotta, just because it is such a good value car. And if you don't care about power and performance of a vehicle, and you really just want to be efficient, the Toyota Prius, 2009 to 2015. Spacious cargo in the back. It's like it was built for rideshare, you know? You got a hatchback, you got a lot of space back there, it's kind of compact. 51 miles per gallon city and 48 highway, so that is at the top of the list as far as fuel economy goes. Very reliable vehicle, not a lot of power again, but hey, Toyota does it well. All right, you guys, there you go. That's my list for the top 7. I wonder which way you see that. Okay, there we go. The top 7 hybrids that I would recommend around $10,000 if you are looking to purchase a hybrid vehicle for driving rideshare. If you have thoughts, comments, feedback, get down into the comment section below. Get at me with that. If you took anything away from this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here, you guys. Until the next time, drive safe, everyone.